Investing in stocks has been a popular way for individuals to grow their wealth for decades, and it continues to be a viable option in 2023. However, with the current economic climate, many people are wondering if it's still possible to make money with stocks. The answer is yes, but it requires a bit of knowledge and strategy. Firstly, it's important to understand the basics of stocks. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a small piece of ownership in a company. The value of that stock will fluctuate based on the performance of the company. If the company does well, the stock price will go up, and if the company does poorly, the stock price will go down. To make money with stocks, the key is to buy low and sell high. This means that you want to buy stocks when they're undervalued and sell them when they're overvalued. This requires research and analysis on your part. You need to look at the company's financials, its growth potential, and its competition. This will give you an idea of whether the stock is undervalued or overvalued. Another way to make money with stocks is through dividends. Dividends are payments made by a company to its shareholders. These payments are usually made quarterly and are a portion of the company's profits. If you invest in a company that pays dividends, you'll receive a portion of those profits. However, not all companies pay dividends. Some companies reinvest their profits back into the business, which can lead to growth in the long term. If you're looking for growth, you may want to consider investing in companies that don't pay dividends but have strong growth potential. It's also important to diversify your portfolio. This means investing in a variety of stocks across different industries and sectors. This will help to minimize your risks and increase your chances of making a profit. If one industry or sector is struggling, you'll still have other stocks that may be performing well. Now, let's talk about the risks of investing in stocks. Stocks are inherently risky investments. The value of a stock can go up or down at any time, and there's no guarantee that you'll make a profit. However, if you do your research and invest wisely, you can minimize your risks and increase your chances of making a profit. One way to minimize your risks is to invest for the long term. The stock market can be volatile in the short term, but over the long term, it tends to go up. If you're investing for retirement or other long-term goals, you may want to consider investing in a mix of stocks and bonds. Bonds are generally less risky than stocks and can provide a steady stream of income. It's also important to keep an eye on the market and your investments. You should regularly review your portfolio and make adjustments as needed. If a stock is underperforming, you may want to consider selling it and investing in a different stock. In addition to traditional stocks, there are also other investment options available, such as exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and mutual funds. These options allow you to invest in a variety of stocks with just one investment. This can help to diversify your portfolio and minimize your risks. One trend that's emerged in recent years is socially responsible investing, SRE. SRE is the practice of investing in companies that have a positive social or environmental impact. This can include companies that prioritize sustainability or support social justice causes. SRE is becoming increasingly popular, especially among younger investors who are more concerned about making a positive impact with their investments. Another important factor to consider when investing in stocks is the role of emotions. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a hot stock or the fear of a market downturn. However, it's important to stay level-headed and make decisions based on research and analysis, rather than emotions. It's also important to have a plan in place for your investments. This includes setting goals, determining your risk tolerance, and creating a diversified portfolio. Having a plan can help you stay on track and avoid making impulsive decisions. Finally, it's important to remember that investing in stocks is a long-term game. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it requires patience and discipline. By doing your research, diversifying your portfolio, and staying level-headed, you can increase your chances of making a profit with stocks in 2023 and beyond. In conclusion, it is still possible to make money with stocks in 2023, but it requires knowledge, strategy, and a bit of risk-taking. By doing your research, diversifying your portfolio, and staying disciplined, you can increase your chances of making a profit. Remember to keep an eye on the market and your investments, and be prepared for some ups and downs along the way. This was it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. Before leaving, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.